Hey everyone, today we are going to learn the Microsoft Office and MS Excel. Microsoft Office is a computer program which has different tools for your daily work, Word, PowerPoint, Excel and etc. Okay, so let's see MS Excel. So Excel, when you open, this is the interface of Microsoft Excel. Here you need to click on the blank workbook. So this is the workbook. Okay, this first section we call the ribbon and it has different tabs. Okay, and each tab has different features to do it. Next we have A, B, C. These are we call columns. Okay, and these are the rows. Rows are denoted with 1, 2, 3 numbers and columns are denoted with the A, B, C like alphabetically. Okay, this A2 or A1 we call the cell. Cell nothing but intersection of row and column. Now, if you want to add more than one sheet in your Excel workbook, you just need to press on this plus icon. So here this is how you can add multiple sheets in one workbook. Okay. So you can change the name as well. So double click on the sheet and you can change. For example, this is my data sheet. This is my calculation sheet. Okay. Likewise, you can change the sheet's name also. Just double click and write whatever you wanted. Let's write something. For example, roll number. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I don't wanted my roll number to start with A1. I wanted it is to start with the C4. At the time, you can just cut the data from here and just paste data from here, from wherever you wanted to paste. And you can cut multiple rows also. Just cut here and where you want to paste, click on that cell and click on the paste. You can use shortkeys also for that. For example, here we have copy also. Copy, and I wanted the same copy of this thing in F cell also. For paste here. Also, you can copy multiple rows. Copy and paste. For shortkeys for them is like Control X is shortkey for cut. Okay, Control X, and here I wanted to paste Control V. So and this here Control X and Control V. This is how Control X is for cut, Control V for pasting, and Control C for copying the data. When you want more than one place the same data, you use copy the data. Control X, what it does is just to cut the data and paste wherever you want it without leaving a copy behind. Okay, but Control C, copy the data and paste wherever you want it. So this is Excel interface. Here you will see a formatting paint as well. Okay, for example, this row number I formatted it with some color and changing the font size. Okay, so if I wanted this thing same to these two as well, I just click on the formatted cell, click on the format painter and click the cell you wanted to format same as this one. So likewise, same thing you wanted to format this cell also. So just click on this cell and go to the format painter and click on the cell you wanted to format. You can format these things also. For example, I just click on this and click on 2. So you can format anything using this. Once you format your table data and you use this format painter, which help you to do the things easily. Okay. To apply the formatting in multiple places, double click the format. For example, if I click here and double click on this format painter, I can apply as many as cell I want it to be. Okay. And if I click here and only single click, so after one time it will vanish. Okay, so this is a format painter. So this is about the basic of Excel and the clipboard. Tomorrow we are going to learn different ribbons here, present here, and insert tab.